Hello there. This is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the American R-colored vowel air, as in the word chair. You can also hear this sound in words like there, bear, share, or marry. We'll be using special phonetic symbols, air, for this sound. Let's recap what we've learned in the R-colored vowels overview video. The air is one of the 7 American R-colored vowel sounds. The air is an R-colored diphthong, and it's made by merging the and the r sounds. As with all R-colored vowel sounds, the air is often distorted by non-native English speakers. The spelling for air could be confusing, as this sound is represented by several different combinations of letters. Now let's find out how to pronounce this R-colored vowel. To make the air sound correctly, focus on pronouncing 2 sounds and making a smooth connection between them. This is how you do that. Start with making the sound. Partially open your mouth, slightly spread your lips, and relax them. Now, let's place your tongue in the correct position for the vowel. Push your tongue to the front of your mouth and relax it. Raise the middle of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. The tip of your tongue can be lowered just behind your bottom front teeth. Next, connect the to the r sound with a long gliding movement. Slightly round your lips. Curl back the tip of your tongue. Now, slightly lower the center of your tongue and raise its back. Your tongue should be tensed. Now let's color the with the r and blend the 2 sounds together. Air, air, air. Let's talk about the most typical mistakes that people make when pronouncing the air sound. Number 1. Many non-native English speakers reduce the r in the air vowel. This would be fine in British English, but an American accent requires the r to be pronounced. So, if you reduce the r, your American air sound will be distorted, and it may lead to misunderstandings. Compare. Hair, hair, where, Number 2. Some non-native speakers pronounce the r in the air, but they trill it. Remember, Americans never trill their R-colored vowel sounds. Compare. Hair, hair, where. How do you avoid trilling? The tip of your tongue should never touch the alveolar ridge when you pronounce the R-colored sounds. Remember, both sounds in the R-colored vowels are equally important. Don't reduce the r and avoid trilling it. Now, let's practice the air sound in some words. This is how it works. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation, like this. Air. You'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word. Make sure you complete this part and practice as many words as possible. This is the only way to improve your American accent. Let's begin.
Air, airplane, America, anywhere, area, arrow, aware, bear, berry, care, carry, chair, character, cherry, compare, dairy, dare, declare, errand, error, fair, hair, library, marriage, marry, military, pair, parent, pair, repair, scare, share, square, stare, swear, terrible, there, where, wheelchair, wherever.
You're done. Congratulations! By the way, did you know that the air sound is represented by at least 8 combinations of letters? Take a look. Most often, the air sound is represented by AR, as in scare or parent. Less often by ER, as in very or there. And AIR, as in air or pair. There are quite a few words with ARR, as in carrot or arrow, and ERR, as in cherry or Mary. In some words, these 3 combinations are pronounced as air, EAR, as in where or pair, EIR, as in the word there, and UR, as in berry. While several of these combinations of letters represent the air sound in some words, they may also represent other R-colored vowels in other words. We know, it's confusing, but that's how English works. Click like if you like this video. By the way, did we say that we like your comments? A few months ago, we got a comment from Lon. Thank you for great videos. Do you want your videos to have Vietnamese subtitles? I can do that. Guess what? We now have subtitles in Vietnamese for most of our videos. Thank you, Lon. Share this video with your friends, pets, and relatives. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned on our Sounds American channel.